Guys, it's Josh here again. Got a nice little haul today and I'm looking to talk to you about it. Three in question we're going to talk about is 360 Red Ellis, Azzaro Wild Mint, and the hype beast Rochas Moustache EDP. Super excited about this one. So to be very honest with you, I wanted to save this. As you can see, it's still wrapped, to do a true unboxing and first impression. That's why I've never done that before, besides my last one. It's kind of pretty rough, but we'll see how this goes. The other two I did spray, and I did have a chance to get the dry down of them. I'm going to spray them again just to kind of give you an idea. We'll start with the Ellis. So this was made in 2003. Amber spicy kind of fragrance here. I'll go over the notes with you in a second here. Okay, yeah, so the top notes, this one's got a shitload of notes. So you got lime, bergamot, cinnamon, orange, mandarin orange, cloves, nutmeg. Mid is lavender, coriander, and base is musk, patchouli, sandalwood, vetiver, red cedar, oak moss. And it's no surprise this one smells a hell of a lot like Acqua di Gio, which is the most popular, best-selling fragrance in the last 20 years. And yeah, no, I can see why people totally buy this. It's real nice. I was kind of impressed with the dry down because I thought it was going to be super short in longevity. We got about 6 hours on the skin. Obviously, if you put it on clothes, it's going to last longer. Projected for about 1 to 2 hours. So as much you can expect, and in the heat it might hit it and do a little better, but this might be one that if I did wear this out to work, I might bring a decant just so I can kind of freshen up around lunchtime. But yeah, no, overall pretty impressed with this. When you first spray it, it smells fantastic. And I know it's made in 2003. It totally reminds me of the early 2000s. I'm only 33, turning 34 this year, so in the early 2000s I was still in high school and hitting up the all ages. That's what that makes me think of, for sure. And yeah, that's a winner. And I ended up getting this for $24 on fragrancebuy.ca. P.S. Love fragrancebuy.ca, by the way. Deliver the stuff to my house 2-3 days from when I order. It's fantastic. So Ellis 360 Red, definitely a winner. So this one is, I haven't seen too much on this one, and I'm a big fan of mint. So I thought I'd give it a shot, the Azzaro Wild Mint. So this was made in 2019, so it's fairly new. Bam, it's got a pretty nice little bottle there. Nice green radiant. Cap, plastic, but snaps in place pretty good, so when it's on properly, you can lift it there, no problem. The dry down for this was good too. I found the mint kind of dissipated after about an hour. It was still, detectable if I hold it close to my nose, but I was getting some really solid projection there for the first, hour. Oh yeah, as soon as you spray it, you can just smell it. You get this spearmint, toothpastey kind of thing. The notes on this one are a little different. So you got bergamot and I think it's calypso. I think that sounds pronounced. Mid was nanamint. You got your balsam fir, pine, balsam absolute, whatever the hell that means. And base was Indonesian patchouli and Haitian vetiver. So you got a lot of stuff in there that are super light. And for this one, it was it's a very aromatic green fragrance. Again, after that 1 hour, it kind of dissipated. And with the patchouli on the base, and it doesn't kick in right away, but it kind of turns into that chocolatey vibe. So you get chocolate and mint. Where it kind of meets there around that hour mark, it comes off like those Andes chocolates, right? Which is pretty cool. What it reminded me of is me and my wife went to this event a few years ago in this hotel, and it just smelled amazing, this hotel. And we ended up asking them, and what they do is they pump this like bamboo green air, this smelling stuff through the vents, and it smells just like that. And I've been dying to find something that smelled like it. So this is a total win for me. Super happy with this fragrance. Again, 100 ml, $36 Canadian. So yeah. I also just kind of got privy to these discounters a little while ago, and I've been having a little problem. I'm going a little ham lately, but overall, like, yeah, like, and they charge for this stuff in the store. It's crazy. You know, I feel bad because I'm gonna go to stores and I'm gonna, you know, chat it up, smell some stuff, but like, I'm never gonna buy anything there. Because why would I when I can save 50+% by just getting it online, delivered to my house in 2-3 days? So, Azzaro Wild Mint, definitely a winner. It's got super high quality. Well, not super high quality, but I'm impressed for the money. And overall, 36 bucks, can't go wrong. This one, I've been dying all day to smell. I told myself I'd be recording a video tonight, so I didn't. So we're gonna pop this open right now. And we're gonna see how this goes. Now this one, I've seen tons of, I'll wait till I open it to start talking. Tons of hype around this, obviously. Everybody's been loving this. Box is, you know, a little old school. Looks pretty good. Again, just for anyone who doesn't know this, there's an EDP version, which is this, and the EDT version. They do smell apparently completely different. Also, there was an older EDP version of this that apparently this is reformulated. So this was done in 2018. And apparently this is the new shit that's just amazing. So I'm super excited to smell this. First, I'll go over the notes quick. Pink pepper, mandarin orange. Mid is Atlas cedar and Bulgarian rose. And the base is benzoin, vanilla, patchouli. Okay. So we're gonna get this here. This one does get compared to YSL Tuxedo. I have smelled YSL Tuxedo. It is fantastic. Super expensive, but is fantastic. I've never spent anywhere close to $250 to $300 on a fragrance before. Again, I've always loved cologne. I haven't been as into it, obviously, as I have been lately. As you can see, the collection is expanding, and I'm definitely in that hyped cheapy phase right now because I can't get enough of it. So let's give it a go. So I know I got the mint here, but you know, we're gonna cover that up. We're gonna spray the hand. Okay, let's give it a second. I'm excited. Mmm. Wow. I feel like dropping an Owen Wilson. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so amber woody, right? That's what, you know, it's supposed to be. I get that. It's blended really well. I definitely get the rose. It's hiding in there, but it's definitely detectable. It's definitely super comparable to YSL Tuxedo. The bottle, let's just give it a second for this bottle too. Fantastic quality from Rochas here. This cap, metal, super firm, snaps right into place. Let me see, it's a heavy ass bottle, but you can hold it up by the cap. Not that that's really important to people, but it's kind of like in these videos, it's like fucking Dairy Queen with the blizzards. You gotta like tilt it upside down to show it. I don't know what that does, but super high quality bottle, super impressive juice. To me overall, it's a sweet, powdery, smooth, boozy. I definitely feel like there's leather in there, even though it's not. I've been wearing Toy Boy lately, and I kind of got like the rose. It smells similarities, even though they're not anywhere close. But I can definitely sense a closeness somehow, and I think it's the rose. But yeah, no, super overall very impressed with this haul. Again, we got the 360 red. This is your cheapies, you know, your summertime fragrance guys. So 24 bucks, 100 mil. Smells like Acqua di Gio. A little spicier, but still can't really tell the difference. Sure, it's a little bit higher quality. Sure, it's a little spicier, but they're pretty much the same. Save your money. Get this. Again, a little bit unique with this Azzaro Wild Mint. Not too many mint fragrances out there that hold their own. This one did last on my arm today for a while. The mint, again, super refreshing. And yeah, it just smells clean, like clean. Like, you know, you wear this out, you're gonna be looked at as like well put together. So again, dress accordingly with this one. You want them to look stylish when you're wearing this guy. Again, but I could also see you pulling this off with like a jeans and a white t-shirt. Rochas Moustache, good juice. This was $55 on the site. This is, I'm not gonna say borderline niche fragrance, but it's close, you know. This is nice, high quality stuff. I'm looking to expand the collection with nice quality stuff that smells great, that isn't gonna break the bank, because, you know, we all don't wanna be shelling out $200, $300, $400, $500, you know, for bottles. You know, you can get, you know, three niche fragrances for $1,000. I can get 25 to 30, you know, nice smelling good options just by doing some research, right? So, and again, don't let anyone judge you by what you like, right? You like what you like. Research, watch some videos, you know, jump on Fragtanica, see the reviews, buy the stuff. If you don't like it, post it on Kijiji, post it on Marketplace. It'll sell, right? Especially if you're getting it from discounters. Sometimes you could sell it for more than what you bought it for. Okay, so keep that stuff in mind. This was super fun. Thank you guys. Name's Josh. Channel is going to be called Fresh for Less. On top of fragrances, I'm also going to be doing some watch reviews. Super into watches as well. Wrist check here. We got a Courgeot. It's beautiful. It's a homage to an Omega watch, and I'll probably talk about that another time. But anyway, thanks guys. Take it easy.